Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Reggae icon Stephen Cat Coore, one of the founding members of the legendary band Third World, was laid to rest today. And emotional entertainment minister Olivia Grange could not hold back the tears during the Thanksgiving service.
But Cat, we'll miss you. You always gave me encouragement, and what was so beautiful about the relationship with Cat was, although we were the political divide existed, the politics did not impact on our relationship.
Tributes also came from opposition leader Mark Golding and Finance Minister Favour Williams, who represented the Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness.
On behalf of the government and the people of Jamaica, I extend sincere condolences to his family, his bandmates, and the countless Jamaicans and international admirers whose lives were enriched by his artistry.
Cat's legacy will endure in the timeless catalogue that he helped to create, and in the generations of musicians inspired by his example. He leaves behind not only extraordinary music, but a standard of excellence that will continue to challenge and inspire us. I extend heartfelt condolences to his immediate and extended families, the members of Third World, his friends, bandmates, colleagues, and fans around the world.
His children, a quartet, also provided a tribute, thanking their father for a life that struck all the right chords.
Thank you for exposing us to the world at such a young age through travel, and for encouraging us to explore it on our own. Because of you, the world feels familiar, not frightening. Thank you for the crazy nicknames that we're all known by: Sheppy, Baby Cakes, Jumbo, Pooey. Just another example of how you lived life thinking outside the box, jovial and fun.
Cat Coore died on January 18, 2026. He was 69 years old.